Namaskar and welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, today I'm going to talk about this forgotten kind of Indian money that was used during the World War II time. So a lot of you might have already understood what is the concept of Nordgeld, because Nordgeld is not something very commonly taken when the Indian numismatics or not affiliates considered. So Nordgeld, for the people who don't know, is a kind of emergency money that were produced by the countries or the states or even like private parties during the wartime. As you can imagine, wartime requires like desperate time, requires desperate measures. So these people will come up with different kind of money that may have value, may not have value, but it is a money for their daily purpose. So India also has issued some kind of similar thing. Like during that time, as you may imagine, the India was under the British control and there existed certain princely states. So these princely states also got affected by the problems of World War II in a certain way, and they tried to issue this kind of things for like coping up with the problems they were like facing. So today let's see what are these kind of things, and if you're seeing this channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any kind of such interesting update from the channel. So welcome to Indian Coin View once again. Let's look what is cash coupons. So as I mentioned before, during the World War time, there was a lot of shortage of metal because in India, since India was under the control of Britishers, they took all the metal from India for their war efforts in the front. So a lot of princely state also got affected by those action by the Britishers because they didn't even have the metal to print their own money or coin. So what happened is that these people came up with this kind of emergency money known as cash coupons. And if you are looking into the history, it is given in the Reserve Bank of India's website that these are the kind of like kind of banknotes, but not actually the banknotes. So these are something that actually is something between the coins and banknotes. So these are in technical terms known as cash coupons. So it is the kind of Indian Nordgeld which was issued during World War II time, and instead of, since there was a lacking of metal money, they used the hard pressed cardboard to print this kind of things. A lot of Indian states has issued this kind of things. Reserve Bank has mentioned something. I have also given a detailed list of the same in the banknote.ws website. You can just check the description. I have given the link to that to know about these kind of things. So if you are a good Indian collector and want to know about more Indian history, especially the history of princely state, how the transition is happening and everything, it's good to read about this kind of money, because this kind of money is like almost forgotten by everyone in India, and it's because a lot of people don't know about the existence of this thing, and B, this is scarcely seen in the market. So if you are having this kind of money with you, make sure that you are keeping it with yourself, because in the future time this is going to be an absolutely rare item for the collectors in India because of its inavailability. So let's closely look into each one of these four cash coupons that I have in my collection, and I have a detailed look at each of them. The first one we are seeing here is from a princely state known as Chudha princely state. Currently it is a part of state of Gujarat in the northern India. So they also issued this kind of like cash coupons. These are made of hard pressed cardboard or hard pressed paper, and if you are seeing this, you can see it's of a blue color. So two versions of this cash coupon exist, one in black color and one in blue color. And on the face of it, you can see the picture of the ruler, that is Thakur Sahib Bahadur Singh Ji of the Chudha state, and it was given in like in a blue color as I mentioned before. And on like four sides of the picture, you can see it's like written Thakur Sahib in the top, Bahadur Singh Ji on the bottom, and general stamp on the right side, and Chudha state on the left side. So that's like this side. And the other side, if you are like looking closely, you can see it's written Do Paisa. So it's like written in both, I think it's Gujarati script and Devanagari script. The one in the box is the Devanagari script for 2, and then it is written Paisa. So this is the cash coupon of the Chuda princely state. The next one is from Mooli princely state. So this is also a princely state which later emerged with the Gujarat state in the northern India. The ruler was Thakur Dharmendra Singh Ji. So his image is given on the face of it. This is a uniface cash coupon, like not the previous one which was like both face. This is a uniface one, and it is in a reddish kind of, a maroonish kind of color. The printing happened, and his image was also given. So the identification of the princely state and also the details of the kings are all, the king is also given in the sides of this thing, and on the bottom part it's written Char Ana, which means the 4 Ana in I think it's in Gujarati letters. So this is another like interesting cash coupon that is from my collection. This is from the Palitana princely state. It also became a part of state of Gujarat later. This is like a multi-phase one. Like in the other side also there is like certain number. The number of this particular cash coupon is written along with do pesa. Like you can, if you are like remembering from the other thing, it's also written in something similar. So this is like another interesting cash coupon that is from my collection from the Palitana princely state. And this is the last one. So this is from Sailana princely state. Now it is a part of state of Madhya Pradesh in India. So like compared to the previous 3 this is like more kind of having a shape of a stamp rather than like a piece of cardboard. So this is also a multi-phase one. As you can see, it has like proper numbering and everything, and ek ana. So this is of value 1 ana. As you can see in the front, it is written 1 Ana and everything. And the king's portrait is also given, and both in English and Hindi. Every details is written in both English and Hindi, which is like quite nice for the identification and collection and everything. So I hope you like the story of the cash coupons that were issued by the Indian princely states during the World War II time. And if you have any of them, do comment in the comment section of the video about what you think about them or what you want to know more about them. Also make sure that you check the link in the description if you want to know more about them in great detail. And please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any such interesting kind of updates coming through this channel. So till meeting with a new story, bye bye.